Apple has just dropped the all-new Apple Watch Ultra 3 in 2025, and trust me, you don't want to ignore this upgrade. This isn't just another smartwatch update. It's a complete game-changer for adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts. From an ultra-rugged titanium design to next-level health tracking, GPS, and connectivity, the Ultra 3 takes performance, durability, and functionality to a whole new level. Whether you're running, swimming, hiking, or just pushing your limits, this watch is built to keep up. And in today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, its design, durability, advanced sensors, battery life, software features, and why it might just be the most capable smartwatch of 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We'll also compare it with previous models and see how it stacks up against the competition. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Ultra 3 is worth upgrading to, and why Apple has set a new standard for wearable tech this year. So, make sure you watch until the end, because we're covering every detail that could make this the ultimate smartwatch for 2025. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 has officially arrived in 2025, and it's shaping up to be one of the most significant upgrades in Apple's wearable lineup. Building on the success of the Ultra series, the Ultra 3 is designed for adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts who demand more from their smartwatch. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of hardware, software, and connectivity, delivering a device that not only tracks your health and fitness with unparalleled precision, but also offers advanced features for navigation, communication, and even survival scenarios. This new Ultra model isn't just an incremental update. It represents a major leap forward in durability, performance, and user experience, making it a device that serious users simply cannot ignore. One of the first things that stands out about the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is its redesigned body and enhanced durability. Apple has improved the titanium casing, making it lighter yet stronger, while continuing to offer the ruggedness needed for extreme sports, mountaineering, or underwater exploration. The display has been upgraded with higher brightness and better scratch resistance, ensuring that information remains clear and readable even in direct sunlight or harsh environments. These physical improvements are complemented by the watch's water resistance and dust-proof capabilities, making it a device that can withstand the most challenging conditions without compromising performance. Under the hood, the Ultra 3 is powered by Apple's latest S-series processor, delivering faster performance, improved battery efficiency, and seamless interaction with the watchOS ecosystem. The device now features advanced sensors that enhance health and fitness tracking, including more precise heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen analysis, and even advanced metrics for athletes such as VO2 max and recovery monitoring. For runners, swimmers, hikers, and triathletes, these improvements translate into highly accurate real-time insights, helping users optimize performance, prevent injuries, and achieve their fitness goals more effectively than ever before. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 also makes significant strides in connectivity and usability. With faster Wi-Fi, LTE/5G capabilities, and enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can stay connected in remote locations, stream music, receive calls, and interact with apps without needing their iPhone nearby. The watch's GPS and satellite connectivity have been refined for precise navigation, making it an essential tool for adventurers exploring unfamiliar terrain or engaging in endurance sports where accuracy and reliability are crucial. Another area where Apple has innovated with the Ultra 3 is software.